Hello everybody and welcome to this week's episode of How to Use It Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to use Wonder Balm. We're going back to basics because whether you're new to us and you've never seen us before, in which case hello, or if you have been watching us for ages but you've still not used any of our products, hello, or even if you already use everything, it's always useful to know exactly how to use our products in case you can get something a wee bit extra out of it, okay? So what we're going to start with is Wonder Balm, and the reason I'm telling you about this today is if you don't currently use any of our products, if you don't know where to start, if you don't know what the answer is for what you need for your skin, we always recommend you start with Wonder Balm. And the reason for that is that Wonder Balm we see as an essential product while the others are luxury. Skincare luxury, then that's great. You can also get our mask and our serum and other products that we have, but start with Wonder Balm. You will know then whether your skin loves it and you will see what it does for you. And actually what we find is that Wonder Balm alone does incredible things for your skin. The rest are kind of mega add-ons, right? But you're going to start with Wonder Balm. So Wonder Balm looks like this, okay? And it comes in a few, this is just a little sample tin. It comes in a few different forms, right? So you get it in a tin like this, or you can get it in a beautiful jar like this, or you can get a big massive tin. Right? But they're all Wonder Balm, okay? So there's the big one, the fancy one, or this one. This one is brilliant because it's in an aluminium tin, so you can shove it straight in the recycling, and also I promise you don't need to be home. So for people who have subscriptions, some people have a subscription every month, every 2 or every 3 months, it just arrives and it's ready whenever you need it, okay? All you're going to do is you're not going to wet your face at all. You're not going to wet your hands at all. You're just going to take a little bit of Wonder Balm, right? Start with less and add more if you need it, right? I would say you're not going to need any more than that, okay? Once you've used that, if you want to add more, you can. This is really important. It doesn't matter how much makeup you wear. It doesn't matter how little makeup you wear. Wonder Balm is going to melt and break down whatever is on your face, right? I always start with my eyes. You do what you like, okay? So I have moved it around my hands and you can see that it's melting. Start with my eyes, purely because I always have. You can start wherever you wish. Some people work all the way around everywhere apart from their eyes. Now, you can see, and then do their eyes last, you can see I can take this right up to my lash line. There is no stinging at all with Wonder Balm. I can take it right up there. And what it's doing is it's melting all my mascara and my eyeliner, okay? So that's the brilliant thing about it. It melts it really effortlessly, whether it's tubing mascara or whether it's waterproof mascara, regular mascara, eyeliner, tattoo eyeliner, whatever. But the important thing is you don't need to rub, right? You don't need to put any pressure at all on this delicate skin around your crown. You can then use that same oil to lift all the other makeup from your face, right? At this point, you can add a bit more balm if you want to, or if you're wearing a lot of makeup, you can double cleanse, okay? It's at this point that you take your balm face selfie if you are so inclined, and you tag us with the hashtag balm face if you want to. Okay, so you can see everything's broken down my face and everything is now in oil. I have a cloth here and it's in hot water. The reason we use hot water and not cold is because there's beeswax in the balm. So if you use cold water, it'll slightly solidify the balm again. You want lovely hot water to lift everything away from your beautiful face, okay? And all I have to do is take that hot cloth and just sweep it across my face. Okay? And again, this hot cloth. Now, I'm using hot water, but the cloth is not currently hot on my face, right? This isn't about you having to use scalding hot water. It's not. We recommend that you make the water hot in your sink, right? And then you put your cloth into it, you take it out and you wring it out, right? Now by the time you've wrung that out and you're going to take it to your face, it's now practically cool, okay? But it feels lovely and it takes everything away completely effortlessly, okay? Now, effortless is absolutely the name of the game with Wonder Balm. Absolutely. It's effortless skincare for so many different reasons. One, it melts off your makeup really effortlessly, right? There's no scrubbing. There's no using of 100 wipes. There's no alcohol in it. There's nothing from your skin, okay? But the other thing that's so fantastic about its effortlessness is that just by cleansing, you're feeding your skin, okay? The oils in Wonder Balm are of the miracle tree, as it's called, the moringa tree, and pomegranate oil. It's just incredible. It does fabulous things for your skin, right? So see if you are a one and done makeup remover person, if you are a one and done face cleanser person, it doesn't matter whether you've got makeup on or not, if you've got sun cream on, even if you don't wear sun cream, if you wear moisturiser, if you put a moisturiser on in the morning, if you touch your face at all, right, it's going to be covered in dirt and grime. We're learning that now. We're hearing about, oh, don't touch your face, don't touch your face, and you think, I don't touch my face. And now that everything is happening in the world, we're realising how much you want to treat your skin well by just giving it a fresh start every day. Now, here's the thing. After you have cleansed, after you have used your hot cloth to take everything off, you can walk away and go to your bed, okay? Because this is doing enough for your skin. That's it. And that's why we say it's effortless. Not only does it take everything off your skin effortlessly, whether that is your sun cream or your makeup, whether you've got 4 different layers of makeup and setting spray and a powder and lashes and all this kind of stuff, it takes it off totally effortlessly. It just melts everything away. But that's it. You can just go to bed after that. You don't need to do anything else, okay? Now, if you want to, you can double cleanse. It's totally up to you. But that's Wonder Balm. That's how you use Wonder Balm to cleanse. Here's another exciting thing. Wonder Balm is the best lip balm I've ever used. Do not just use Wonder Balm for lip balm. It is way better than that. Use it to cleanse every day for a week and tell us how you go on. Now, if you use this every day for a week, it will not scratch the surface of this tin, right? Please don't look at this tin and think that's going to last me no time at all. I've taken the tiniest little bit out of that, okay? Now this isn't a full tin because this is just one that I made just to test the texture, right? So you're going to get so long. Now, I would love it if you're a Wonder Balm user, if you could let everybody know in the comments how long your Wonder Balm tin lasts, if you feel like that would be a good thing for people to know. If this is the first time that you have ever watched anything by us, we would love, there's only me here, I would love a little emoji, say hello. Tell me who you are, whatever, it's up to you. And if you love Wonder Balm and you could tag them in this post so that they can see how it can use. But we promise you it's effortless because we developed it when we were with very small children and we had no time for anything. And if we do nothing else, we use Wonder Balm and that is it. We're not bothered about anything else. Wonder Balm is also brilliant if you have cuts, burns, sore bits, dry bits, because it looks after your skin expertly well. And if you think about it, if it does that for burns and sore bits, think about what it's doing to your beautiful skin every single day. And all you have to do is cleanse. If you do nothing else, try Wonder Balm. This tin here is 28 grams and it will last you somewhere between 1 and 3 months. Some people say longer. Try it because we promise you will love it.